Catback heroes, this is Christian back here with another video just for all of you guys. Man, I am so excited, yo. I have so many things that I gotta update you guys on as far as the channel, my personal life, the cars, and just everything that's going on moving forward with just everything. But before I get into that, I just want to say thank you guys for your patience. These last few months has been definitely a lot going on with the move, with getting my streaming set up, with a lot of car information, new cars coming in and out, got a truck now, a whole bunch of stuff. But this month, guys, in the month of November, I want to let you guys know that every single day of this month, I am dropping a video. That's right, guys. Every single day in November, we're gonna be dropping a YouTube video. I'm gonna attempt to do something that I've never done before, something that is really hard, and a lot of people and content creators cannot do it. So I'm gonna attempt to do this to really take this channel to the heights in the direction that I know you guys wanna see it go. So in this video, November 1st, we're gonna be talking about the Corvette, the updates on the Corvette, everything that's going on as far as my new streaming setup. You guys might notice a different backdrop. Like I said, I got my new house, got my new home. We've been doing a home tour coming up. We got, like I said, the streaming and the PCs and the gaming setup coming up. We got a whole bunch of cars and racing and a whole bunch of stuff coming up. But this video is all about the Corvette. Man, I've been going back in my just inventory videos and I didn't realize how long it's been since I've talked about the Corvette. So as you guys know or do not know, my Corvette has been at RS Future for a little over 3 months now, getting a whole bunch of work done. Originally, it was just gonna be Aero. It was just gonna be a new chassis mounted wing and a new chassis mounted front splitter with an air dam and to get all my Aero right. But Amir did an amazing job as far as giving me some ideas. He's doing some R&D on some new projects, some new work, and I'm going full send, guys. I am taking my Corvette and going full send with it. So Amir over at RS Future is actually installing a brand new side skirt piece that he's gonna be using as well on his NSX and a few cars moving forward. But one of my car is gonna be one of the first cars to really be using it, especially on the Corvette platform, to see how it performs. So not only are we getting a chassis wing, not only are we getting a front splitter and air dam, now we're also getting side skirts. But that is not all. I told Amir, you know what? We're going full 100% send. So I told him to take everything out of the car. We're gutting the interior. We're taking all the carpeting out, all the plastics out. Anything that can go, it is gone. We're taking everything out. If it doesn't make the car faster, it's out. If it's making the car way heavier, it's out. If it's something that I do not need in order to drive from start to finish, it is out. So we're also taking out the air conditioning. We're taking out the heater unit. We're taking out a whole bunch of stuff that's gonna free up the airflow, free up the cooling, and free up the performance of this Corvette C7 Z07 package Corvette model that I do have. I wish I had some more pictures and videos to really show you guys everything that's going on with the car and that's gonna be going off of the car, but I do plan on going back to the shop later this week. RS Future on November 5th, guys. On November 5th, this Saturday, RS Future at this shop, partnered with Global Time Attack, is gonna be having a pre-Global Time Attack event at RS Future. This is in joint. RS Future is in the same building as Art of Attack, so you guys can see a whole bunch of projects from both RS Future, Art of Attack, and Global Time Attack at there. My car is actually going to be on display, and I will be there to hopefully meet a few of you guys, to meet fellow drivers, fellow track racers, to talk about cars, to talk about their builds, and to be able to just bring content of this style to you guys. Like I said, I really want my videos and my channel to be all about motorsport, all about car racing, and all about just the drive and the passion and the fire that comes with all the racing and track driving. But in collaboration with them, my car is also going to be on display. So you guys will be able to see a lot of the progress that's happening on the Corvette, on the Top Gun. You guys will be able to be there to see it. I really want you guys to be able to truly witness how beautiful this car is coming. I know it's taking a long time. I know you guys have missed this car on the channel, and I have so many videos and partnerships coming with this channel. I have so many partnerships coming with this car, and some big time people. They're gonna be doing some filming with this car in the year 2023 that I hope you guys are gonna look forward to, you're gonna enjoy, and you're gonna be passionate to see. But that is not all. I do also have a few other surprises that I'll be dropping this week as far as what's going to also be happening with the Corvette. Like I said, we're going all in with this car. I know a lot of you have been missing the Subaru content, missing the Type R content, and now that I have a truck, you're not seeing as much truck content. I actually do have some sponsorship pieces and some parts that are going to be coming in, and I have to install very, very soon on the truck. But with everything with the Corvette, we're going all in. So I even have some more parts that I'm ordering that's gonna be coming in that I know, if you guys like playing Need for Speed type games, Forza type games, or Essential Corsa type games, you're gonna love some of the parts I have coming in that's gonna really just transform this car and transform hopefully this channel. I really want to take this serious. I want to take this, not only this channel serious, not just you guys serious, but I want to take myself serious. This car racing thing. I want to showcase to all of you that if you're someone that wants to get into motorsport, wants to get into track racing, that has never done it before, that wasn't grown up in this, that didn't necessarily have a mentor, someone in their family into car sports, and you just have no idea what you're doing, how to go about it. You know, I'm trying to showcase to all of you that you can do it too. You know, I'm someone that came from no background of ever working on a car to now doing a bunch of work on my Subaru STI, doing a bunch of work on my Type R myself, and then now I have my Corvette. Now, obviously, with this Corvette, with the track driving and the racing I'm going to be doing, I trust the people I take the car to a lot better than my experience with working on a car. But I do want to elevate and get better so I can start doing everything on my own with my cars. I just want to say, I just truly am so appreciative of you guys. We're almost at 27,000 subscribers. You guys have been on this journey for me. I've been doing YouTube for just a little over 4 years now. So if you told me 4 years ago, hey, you're going to start a YouTube channel and you're going to be at 27,000 subscribers now, like that's crazy. I thought maybe I would get to 20,000 like at the all-time most, maybe. Like I didn't foresee it. You know, it's definitely hard for a lot of us small channels to grow. It's definitely harder for a lot of us that don't have the algorithms pushing us, that don't have a lot of the back end things, you know, broadcasting the channel. But I do appreciate you guys, because I've seen from the analytics, I've seen from the data, I see a lot of you guys continuously watching my videos and supporting me. And the same group that has been with me for a long time are still here. And I just truly can't thank enough of you guys. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be at that RS Future event. DM me on Instagram at Christian Hudnell. One more time, DM me on Instagram at Christian Hudnell if you guys want some more information as far as the event, how to see me, how to see the car. I would love to be able to meet a few of you guys there and to be able to just interact with a few of you guys there. This is a quick update. Like I said, I want to let you guys know exactly what's going on. So we have the move. Getting everything situated, almost done. Got a whole bunch of stuff here now, as you guys can see, that I'm doing with the house. So I'm going to give you guys a house tour. I got a bunch of stuff coming in with the truck, with the sponsorships. Got a bunch of work that's being done on the Corvette, so I have some videos coming with that. I have some videos coming of my whole computer virtual reality setup that I showed you guys in this video as well. And I got a whole bunch of stuff, just all motorsports, that's gonna be coming to this channel. And it's gonna, I have a few surprises that I can't tell you guys yet, but when you guys see it, it's gonna be just fantastic. I want to lastly say one more time, guys, every single day I'm gonna attempt to try and upload a video every single day this month. And so I appreciate you guys, and this is my way of trying to give that much more effort to go that much farther with not just my channel, but with all of you guys. Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. Hit the like button if you like the video. Hit the subscribe button. Follow the journey. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality. Have a great day, a blessed day. Let's get it, y'all. Stay safe. Peace.